A is okay. A is okay. Now let's do B. Now the time where car B overtake car A. Now underline the word overtake. And tell me, is this same what? Help me. Multiple choice. Same speed. Is it same speed I will overtake? Or is it same distance I will overtake? Same distance. How to calculate distance in this graph?
Speed times time.
Is it speed times time? Distance equal, start with the word A.
Acceleration.
I can understand.
Average speed.
Area under
Algebra.
speed time.
Time.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now you do. This is very important. So distance equals to area under speed time graph. So I need to know where is the timing. Are you looking at? I try. If I look at this time say X. Okay. What are the two areas I need to calculate? For car A, what do I calculate? Tell me the shape of the area I calculate. Car A. Car A is this one. Right? Car A is this. So for car A, what is the shape I calculate for X? Don't tell me square, tell me rectangle. So this is the area I calculate. For car B, what is the area I calculate? The triangle. Do you see?
Oh, lol.
Can you follow? Okay, so question is, where did it overtake? Is it before 10 or after 10?
Repeat your question again.
How? Okay, now why do I choose before 10 or after 10? Now before 10 I'm looking at one type of shape. After 10 I'm looking at another type of shape. Let's try. At 10. For car A, what kind of shape am I looking at? Do you see it's a rectangle? However, for car B, what shape am I looking at?
It's like a triangle.
Do you see a triangle? So this is the area I'm looking at. But after 10,
It's the same.
the A is still rectangle. But for B, it is
Trapezium.
it's a trapezium. Do you see? This is a trapezium. So how do I know whether do I compare the triangle and rectangle, or do I compare the trapezium and rectangle? How do I know?
Why is it overtake?
I need to calculate at time equals to what? 10. Very good. Can you tell me distance of A equals to what? Distance of B equals to what?
You answer it right.
Don't understand,
80 times 10
You think?
60 times 10
600.
So if 10, right? So for the rectangle is 60 times 10.
600.
So the first one is 600. What about the second one? Area of triangle. So area of triangle, half 10 times 80.
80.
What's the answer?
400.
400. So
Wait, I heard half. Sorry.
half times
80 times 10.
half times 10 times 80. So in this case, did B overtake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
B not yet, right? Because B is still
Below.
travel distance shorter than 8. So it haven't overtake yet. So it is after 10. That means after they overtake after time equals 10. Then how do I do? Don't understand already. Don't understand already. Do you know why I do this?
No.
Don't know, Because I'm curious. At time equals to 10, how far, must draw picture, how far did car A move?
This one you haven't count with.
I haven't, I don't know.
Haven't overtake yet lah.
I don't know whether overtake or not, but I want to know at t equals to 10, how far did the car A move? How? I take the rectangle.
Because you just like that, I cannot see where is like car A or car B now.
Okay, so at time equals to 10, car A is 600. over here, right? So I draw a this is my time, this is 400, this is car B, this is 600, this is car A. Honey, is like that okay or not? B is at 400, A is at 600. So they are still chasing, right? But haven't overtake yet. That means they overtake after 10. Can follow? Now, how do I construct the equation so that I can calculate? First, you have to draw a line and let this be X.
No, let it be Y.
Then no need Y already. So I'm trying to calculate two areas, and these two areas, are they equal?
No,
Because it must be the same before they can overtake, ma. So the area will be equal. I'm losing you all, eh? Distance of A equals to distance of B. Now let's try and create an equation. Distance for A at time equals to X. How do I create it? What area is it? For X to A to 60. What is this shape? Rectangle. So it's 60 times X. So this is 60 times X. What about B? B is X to the B and coming down here. So how do I calculate the area? Half times
X plus. Is it 10 minus X? 10 minus X.
Plus 10 minus X times
Height is 80.
80. So this is the answer. Then you solve for
Oh, must solve lah.
A. Do you see something wrong here? X minus X is 0 eh. No X eh. You want to find what?
Got so much.
So something is wrong, right? Let's try and troubleshoot what is wrong. Now, I highlight the triangle. I highlight the trapezium. So this is the trapezium. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how do I find this? Okay, let's write down. What is this? This is X minus 10. Or is it 10 minus X?
10 minus 10.
Wrong. This length is X minus 10. But what I wrote here is 10 minus X. So it should be the other way around. Can follow? So this one is X minus 10.
So 2X minus 10.
So then how do I what?
You don't get that. I don't understand.
Which part?
The whole thing. Oh my god. Oh, his curry is now. I can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, very depressing. Wait. Is the first sentence can understand? Don't understand. Can understand? Because the first one is very important because I need to know that the distance must be the same before they can overtake, right? This one can understand the left hand side. Why 60x? For distance covered in A.
60 times X.
Should I erase everything?
Push it out, push it out.
Yes.
For the other people also.
Huh? Yes.
If this is x, okay, let's draw it neatly. For car A, can you tell me what is the distance covered by car A from 0 to x?
60x.
60 times x. Okay, I highlight the shape. So do you agree is this shape? This shape, this shape, this shape, this shape. So it's a rectangle, that's why 60 times x. Because this is 60, this is x. Is this okay? Understand this part? Understand, okay. Now for B is another shape. B is what shape? B is trapezium. Do you see a trapezium? Do you see a trapezium? So if trapezium, I need to find the formula of trapezium. So let's start. Half times height. This height is 0 to 80. Can you see? So half times 80 times sum of parallel sides. So I need to know the parallel side. I need to know what is here to here. I need to know what is here to here. The long one, easy. It's just x. The short one, either you take x minus 10 or 10 minus x. Is x minus 10. Can follow? Can. What happened just now? Okay, my mistake. So this is x minus 10. Right now, this formula, do you understand already?
Yo.
Can. So can you find the x? Yeah. So what is x? 40. 20. Yeah. Yes, the x can be anywhere. Yes, I heard. Can? So the x can be before 10 or after 10. That's why it's very critical to calculate at 10, where did it go? If I say they overtake before 10, for distance b, will I use trapezium? I will use another shape. I will use a triangle. Can Now last one.
Okay.
Calculate the distance time graph. Ready?
No. This one is like very weird.
Yeah, very weird. 2 marks. In exam, give. But now don't give. Now let's try together. Now first one, you must understand coordinates. So you need to plot the points. Now let's start. Easy or not? This is a what graph? This distance time graph. Can you tell me at 10, at time equals to 10, what is the distance? Help me.
10.
Just now you calculate, right?
What is
At time equals to 10
400.
is 400. So which means you just estimate 400 and then you do a what? Sorry, I redraw this. Can you mark across anywhere that looks like 400? So 0, 10, then 40, 400. Next one. At time equals to t. At time equals to t. What is t?
20 lah. No.
T is I don't know.
X is
T is the final.
X is
The
T
final
is
time.
Oh, x is t.
Yeah.
Oh.
And all the while you drawing in X in front, then I don't know why you draw that.
Oh.
Correct. But this is like the
Oh, okay. So this is 20, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, when t is 20, tell me the distance.
20 times 80.
Don't know how to do?
160.
So this is 20. This is 20. What is the distance travel?
160.
160.
Yeah.
So mark 160. Is this correct?
No.
Why?
Must add on.
You must add on.
Yeah.
560.
100.
Understand? Now first you have to understand this is wrong. This is wrong. Why wrong? Because distance can only go up, cannot go
So
down.
I thought it's 1,200.
Oh, I have different answer now.
How should take the
How to get 160?
How do I get 160?
Yeah, how you get 160?
80 times.
Who say one?
80 times 20. Oh, yeah, 1,600.
So isn't it trapezium?
1,000.
Do you find trapezium or do you find rectangle? This is 20. Do you find between 10 to 20 or do you find the entire thing?
80 times
Entire thing.
Both also can.
Uh.
Am I confusing you? Let's try. Now, I erase this again and then we write down the distance.
So it's 0
I only want to focus in B. I only want to focus in B. So I erase.
0 to 20 aja.
Okay, now 0 to 10, this triangle, what's the answer? 400, right?
Yeah.
So if I use a marker, I draw this, come down, this is 400. Now, I can also find from 10 to 20. From 10 to 20 is what marker said, right? 10 to 20 is just 10 times 80. Where's 160?
I said 20 times 80 lah.
Huh? How
Oh, you
get
take 20, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. If I want to find just this distance, what do I do? Is it 20 times 80 or is it 10 times 80?
10 times 80.
10 times 80. So if I want to find just the rectangle, this distance, what's the answer?
800.
800. 800. So if this is 800, how will I plot the next point? Is it 800? Is it 800? Or is it 800 plus 400?
300 plus 100.
Is it the green one or the red one?
Red.
Red. Green. Red.
Answer is
Yellow.
wrong lah. Red plus green is
What is for
blue ah.
No.
Oh no ah.
Traffic light.
Oh traffic light. Oh traffic light. So in between lah, so yellow. Wrong. What's the answer?
Red. We need to do English eh.
Answer is red.
But why would it be?
Why is it red ah? Because after traveling 400 meter, between 10 to 20, how much did you travel? Another 800.
So it's 1200.
So the answer should be
Then why I
1200.
get wrong eh? I got wrong eh.
This Akira get pass already also don't want.
Hey, seriously now is lesson over already ah?
Yeah. Ting pong just
Okay.
now.
Because you never start here. What?
Because this is only step 1, there's a step 2.
0 to
There's a step 2.
Correct.
Step 2 is from 0
Yeah, correct answer.
from 0 to the cross, I can draw in 3 ways. I will continue next lesson. Huh?
Answer correct.
The first way is like that, the second way is like that, the third way is like that. I have to decide which kind of graph to draw.
You go home and think whether you're confused. Ask for the teach us.
Okay, I will see you next.